Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G. That's a very long name, but this time we are going to tackle the problem of no charge. So this Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G needs a new charging port because it's not charging through the Type-C connector. And looking at the display, we need to be very careful when we try to open up this device because we need to maintain a pristine condition on the outside. And we'll just focus our attention on the broken charging port. So Type-C charging ports are easy to fix. Fortunately, because they tend to be easy to damage as well. So one of the factors that damages the Type-C connector is moisture or a broken charging cable, and of course dirt, because it's a very big slot, so dirt and moisture can get inside there, gunk it up. Or if you have a faulty or bent charging cable, that can also damage this port. So the whole thing you have here, we are going to replace the entire charging board. So we're going to try to charge it up, see if it's going to work. And right away it's charging. So another benefit of a new charging port is the looseness of your Type-C port will be resolved because the new one is quite a very tight fit. We're going to remove this SIM card tray, put all the SIM cards on the sides, and then we're going to remove this board. Mind you that the board is already attached to the connectors that goes to the main board. So this is like your charging board slash SIM card tray board. So it's got a lot of functions, so it's better to replace it in its entirety. But if you are very advanced and you want just to replace the connector, you can do so, but it will need a lot of work with micro soldering. So make sure you have the proper guy for that specific job. You can attach the antenna cable and of course the SIM card tray. Align the slot to the hole on the housing itself. Make sure they are not going to cause issues later. We're going to test the charging again. Boom, right away. No issues. So this is a fixed Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G. And although the name is very long, the repair on this one is quite short. We're going to close this up. And if you're happy with what we do here, if you find our content interesting or helpful to your own personal research or knowledge, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. We upload new videos every day, and as always, we are happy to fix other people's smartphone, save them from being thrown into the bin, make our customers save money by not buying brand new smartphones. And David and I are happy to do just that. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. If you want this kind of repair as well, contact us. And take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Charge it up. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.